Welcome to a new lesson on must-know phrasal verbs. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand some of the most common phrasal verbs by learning their meaning and hearing it in a sentence. So what are they? Phrasal verbs are combinations of verbs with prepositions or adverbs that create new meanings. Remember, you can't always guess the meaning from the words. That's why it's important to learn them as expressions. They are important because it's common in native speech. It can help improve your fluency, expand your vocabulary, and it's essential for exams and in your real-life conversations. Let's review some examples now. Figure out. This means to solve or find the cause of the problem. Let's figure out what went wrong. Point out. This means to mention or make a remark or comment. The teacher tries to point out the formula in math class. Hand in. This means to submit work. I like to hand in my work on time. Bring up. Bring attention to. The keynote speaker had to bring up an important topic. Blow up. This means to expand and become bigger. Her dad had to blow up all the balloons before the birthday party. Come across. To find something or someone. It's nice to come across old items of clothing after moving. Come up with. To find or supply, especially when dealing with a problem. Isn't it fun to come up with a solution that works for everyone? Make sense. This is to have a clear meaning. Does this lesson make sense to you? Look up to. To admire and respect. Parents are adults who you can look up to. Make up. Invent an explanation, a story, or an excuse. She was amazing at making up funny stories. Put up with. This means to tolerate. The mom had to put up with her energetic child while working. Take after. Look or behave like an older relative. He takes after his grandfather. Wear out. Become old and unusable. I wore out my shoes wandering around the new city. Carry on. This means to continue. Carry on your interesting conversation. Look out. Be careful. Please look out for the buses. Call off. Cancel. Let's call off the meeting since they will not be in work today. Hand out. Give things to people in a group. I arrived to hand out the donations to the community. Slow down. This is to decrease speed. It's time to slow down when you get to the finish line. And that is it for today. Phrasal verbs are a vital part of English. Practicing them regularly will help you understand native speakers better and help you to express yourself more naturally and confidently. Remember that phrasal verbs can be confusing at first, but with practice, they will feel natural. Remember to listen for them in TV shows, movies, and in conversations. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not already. See you next time.